Good morning, everyone. Now, we already learned about addition, subtract, and multiplication. Okay. Now, today we learn about division. Division. We learn about division. What is division? Division is the inverse process of multiplication. Division is the inverse process of multiplication or repeated subtraction. That means here we write 54. So 54 equal to 9 6 are 54. Then if we divided 54 by 9, then we get 6. Or if we divided 54 by 6, then we get 9. Okay. So division is the inverse process of multiplication. Okay. Now 131 divided by 8. Then first we see that number. This is the smallest. Then 8. So we take first two digits. Then 13. So 8 ones are 8. So this is 5. We carry 1. And 8 6 are 48. This is 3. Okay. So this is called 131. This is called dividend. This is called quotient. This is called quotient, and this is called divisor, and this is called remainder. Okay. So this is called dividend, this is called quotient, this is divisor, and this is remainder. So we have dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay. So dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So here we have divisor 8, quotient 16, and remainder is plus 3. So 8 16 are 48. 128 plus 3. So this is equal to 131. This is the dividend. So dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay. So now see some properties of divisor or division. Number 1. On dividing a non-zero number. A non-zero number means 0 other than 0. Okay. On dividing a non-zero number by 1, the quotient is number itself. That means if we divided 86 divided 1, then 86. 619 divided by 1, then we have 619. That means any non-zero number dividing any non-zero number by 1, then we get that number. On dividing a non-zero number by itself, that means any number dividing that number, then the quotient is obtained 1. Okay. 67 divided by 67, that is equal to 1. This is the 809 divided by 800, this is also 1. So any non-zero number dividing by itself, the quotient is obtained 1. Dividing by 0 has 3. Division by 0 has no meaning. That means if we here write 0 and this is 8, so this is no meaning. Here we have nothing get the quotient, that we multiply 0, then we take 8. Okay. So this is no meaning. And on dividing 0 by a non-zero number, the quotient obtained 0. That means if we divided 8 0, that is 0, this is 0. So the quotient is always 0 when we dividing 0 by a non-zero number. Now see exercise 16. Find the quotient and the remainder when we divide. Also check your answer in each question. Okay. So first question number 1. divided 5479 by 12. So 12 dividing 5479. So this is the 2-digit number. So we first take from 2-digit number 5 and 4. So 12 4s are 48, and this is subtract, this is 6, and we write here 7. Okay, and the 12 5 are 60, 12 6 are 72. So here we write 12 5 are 60, then 7, and then 9. 12 7 are 72, 12 8 are 12 7 are 6 are 12 6 are 72, 12 6 are 72, 12 7 are 84. Then we here 12 6 are 72, and this is the remainder. So quotient equal to 5 4 5 6, and remainder equal to 7. Now check your answer. So here dividend equal to 5 4 7 9. So now we have dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. That means 4 5 6 into 7 into 12 plus 7. So multiplying with this get, so here we multiply 4 5 6 12, 2 6 are 12, carry 1 10 11, carry 1 8 9. This is equal to 6 5 4. I add 2 7 4 5. So this is 5 4 7 2 plus 7. That means 5 4 7 9. Okay, so verify. This is the given dividend, and we have the dividend. So this is the verified. Now see question number 3. 8829 by 18. So 18 divided 8829. Here 18. So 18 1 jar 18, 18 2 jar 36, 18 3 jar 54, 18 4 jar 72, 18 5 jar 90. So this is the 88. So 72 is less than 88 and 90 is greater than. So here we write 18 4 jar 72, and subtract we have, this is a 6, this is 1. Now write this 2 again. 18 6 jar 108, 18 7 jar 18 7 jar 126, 18 8 jar 144, 18 9 jar 162. So here is 18 9 jar 162. Therefore we have 9. So the 9 is the smaller than 18. So we write here a 0. So here we quotient equal to 940, remainder equal to 9. So we have dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, so divisor, that is 18, quotient that is 490, and this is 9. So first we multiply 490, 18. So this is 0, 8 9 are 72, 2 carry 7, 32, 32 plus 39 into 0, 9, 4. So addition 0, 2, 8, 8. So we have 8, 8, 2, 0 plus 9, that is equal to 8, 8, 2, 9, and this is verified. Okay. Next question number 6. Question number 6. 7608 by 41. So 41 divided 7608. So first two digit number. So 41 into 41. So 41 into 2, that is 82. So this is the greater than 76. So 14 ones are 41. This is 5 and this is 3. We write 0. Okay. So here 40, 1, 3 jar, 1, 2, 3. 4 jar, 16, 4. So 14, 5 jar, 5, 30, 41 into 6, 6, 24, 41 into 7, 7, 1 into 8, 32, 41 into 9, that is equal to 9, 36. So this is greater than 350. So we take 8 jar. So 41 8 jar, 328. Now this is the subtract of this. We have 2. This is 3. 3. This is also 2 and taken 2. So this is 2 to 8. So this is the 246 and this is 24050. So 41 5 jar 205 and subtract we have 3 and 2. Okay. So quotient equal to 185, remainder equal to 23. Therefore dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay. So here divisor equal to 41, quotient equal to 185 plus 23. Now we multiply 41 into 185, that is equal to, then this is equal to, we get 7585 plus 23, that is equal to 8067. Okay. And this is the dividend, given dividend. So this is the verified. Now see question number 8. 8125 by 37. So 37 divided by 8125. So 37 1 jar 37, 37 2 jar 74, 37 into 3 jar 111, 37 into 3 jar 111. So this is the greater than 81. So we 37 2 jar 74 and subtract we have, this is the 7, now 2 and this is again 37 1 jar 37, this is 5 4 3 and we write there is 5, 37 4 jar 148, 37 5 jar 185, 37 6 jar 37 6 jar 2 to 2, 37 7 jar 37 into 7, that is equal to 259. 37 into 8 equal to 296. 37 into 9, 37 into 9 we have 333 and 37 into 10 equal to 370. So this is the greater than, so we take 339, the 37 9 are 333. So subtract we have 22. So quotient equal to 219, remainder equal to 22. So we have dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder, that is equal to 37 into 219 plus 22. Now multiply 219 by 37, 7 9 are 63. So this is 3, carry 6, 7 1 is 7, 7 plus 6 13, carry 1, 7 2 is 14, 14 plus 1 15, 3 9 is 27, so carry 2, 3 1 is 3 plus 5, 2 is 6, 3 0 10 11 7 8. So 8103 plus 22, then we have 8125, and this is the verify. So question number 11, 9400 by 92. So 92 divided 9400. So 92 ones are 92 and 92 into 2 are 184. So that is 92 ones are 92. So this is subtracted. We have to first we have write 20, so 20 is less than 92, so here we write 0, then we take this 0. Okay, so this is 184, 92 into 3 are 276, so this is greater than 200, so here we take 92 are 184, and subtracting we have 6 16. Okay, so quotient equal to 102, remainder equal to 16. So dividend, we have dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So 92 equal to 102 plus 16, and this is multiply at your home, and we take 9384 plus 16, that is equal to 9400, and this is verify. Next is question number 13. Question number 13, 10,000 divided by 74. So 74 divided 10,000. Okay, so first we have first two digits, this is the smaller than 74, so we take first 3 digits, that is 100. So 74 into 1 equal to 74, 74 into 2 is 148, so this is the greater than 100, so we take 174 into 1 is 74, subtract this is the 6 8 this is 2, then taking that 0, so we have 74 into 3 2 2, and 74 into 5 4 5 20, carry 2 35 37, this is the greater than 260, so we have 74 3 are 2 2 2, subtracted we have 8, this is 5, so 2 3, and taking this 0 here. Now 74 into 6 are 24, this is 444, so here we write 74 5 are 370, that is equal to subtraction we have 10. So quotient 135, remainder equal to 10. So dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder, that is equal to 74 into 135 plus 10. So multiplying we have 135, 74 multiplying this is 4 5 jar 22, carry 2 20 0 carry 2 3 4 jar 12 12 plus 2 14 carry 1 4 1 jar 4 plus 1 5 7 5 jar 35 carry 3 7 3 jar 21 21 plus 3 24 carry 2 7 1 jar 7 to 9. So here we have 0 9 9 9. So that is equal to 9 9 9 0 plus 10, that is equal to 10,000. Okay, so this is the verify. Now see question number 13. 90047 divided by 82. So 82 divided 940. So 82, and we take this first two digit number. So this is the 19, and 81 jar 82 82 jar 164. So this is the greater than 90. So we have take this. So 81 jar 82, subtracting we have 8. So this is the 0. So 80 is less than 82. So we have taking 0, and this is the 4 here. Okay, so 82 into 3 jar we have 82 into 3 jar we have 246. Now we take 804, and this is the 8. So we have multiply 82 into 9. So we have 82 into 9, that is equal to 738. So here we 9 jar 738, that is equal to, subtracted we have 6 to 8. Okay, so here we write now this is 6. Okay, sorry, 8 minus 14, that is equal to 6, and 4 minus 10, that is equal to also 6. So here we write 7. Now 80 28 jar 82 into 8 we have 6 5 6. So 82 into 8 6 5 6, subtracting we have 1 1. So quotient equal to 1098, and remainder equal to 11. So dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Then we have divisor means 82 into 1098 plus 11. So if we multiply 82 by 1098, then we have 90036 plus 11. So we have 90047. So this is the verify. Okay, now see question number 19. Find the quotient when dividend. So given dividend equal to 5940, and divisor equal to 54. We have to find the quotient. So we divided 54 by 5940. So 54 1 jar 54, 54 2 jar 108. Okay, so we have, this is the 54 2 digit number. So we take first 2 digit 59. So 51, 54 1 jar 54, this is the 5, take 4. So again 54 1 jar 54, and this is the 0. So we have here 0 is 0. Okay, so the quotient equal to 110. Now next is 21. Find dividend. Find dividend when quotient given quotient equal to 56, divisor equal to 65, remainder into 50. Now we know dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, so divisor 65, divisor 65, quotient 56 and remainder 50. So we first multiply 65 by 56, that is 6 5 is 30, carry 3, 6 6 is 36, 36 plus 3 39, 5 5 is 25, carry 2, 30 plus 2 32, that is 0 4 6 3, that means 3640 plus 50, that is we have 0 9 6 3 is our answer. Now see question number 20. The find divisor, that means we know this is the divisor, this is dividend, and this is the quotient, and this is the remainder. We have to find divisor. Okay, so now we write dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now here given dividend equal to 7560 and quotient equal to 63. So remainder 0. Okay, so we have here given dividend means 7560 equal to divisor into quotient, given quotient 63, and remainder is nothing. So we have divisor equal to dividend plus divided by quotient when remainder equal to 0. Okay, now we divided 7560 by 63. So 63 1 jar 63, 63 2 jar 186. So here we write 1 jar 63, subtract we have 2, this is 1, carry 2, 126, this is 126. So 2 jar 126, 0 0. Okay, so divisor equal to 120.